Question 10. We have two circles that share a common tangent xrt, and we are given two angles in terms of variables. Angle R4 is equal to x and angle R2 is equal to y. And in question 10.1 we are required to fill in reasons for the 5 given statements. And in question 10.1.1 it says T3 is equal to x. That's because of tan chord. XRT is a tangent to the small circle. WR is a chord, so the angle between the tangent and the chord will be equal to the angle that the chord subtends. That's clearly T3. So the reason for the first statement will just be tan chord. Question 10.1.2, P1 is equal to x. That's going to be the exact same reason. Tan chord theorem again, but this time for the bigger circle, where the new chord is now SR. The common tangent is still XRT, so therefore R4 will be equal to P1, which is x. That's going to be the tan chord theorem again. So the reason will be the same as 10.1.1 above, tan chord. Question 10.1.3, WT is parallel to SP. That's going to be the case because the corresponding angles are equal, which in this case is P1 and T3. So the reason will just be corresponding angles are equal. Question 10.1.4, S1 is equal to Y. These are clearly angles in the same segment because chord PQ subtends them both at the circumference. So R2 will be equal to S1, which is equal to Y. That's going to be angles in the same segment. And in question 10.1.5, T2 is equal to Y. T2 is here. That's clearly going to be alternate to S1, which was Y. Therefore, T2 is equal to S1 is equal to Y, alternate angles, because we proved earlier that SP is parallel to WT. So the last reason will be alternate angles. And the parallel lines are SP is parallel to WT. And that concludes the table in question 10.1.